I just watched an AI open my phone, navigate to X, find a profile, like his top 3 posts, and summarize them back to me. I didn't touch the screen once. You've been hearing about AI agents, right? Everyone's building chatbots, stitching APIs together, calling their glorified NA10 template from a guru an autonomous agent. But this looks different. AutoGLM is a fully open source AI that literally takes control of your phone and operates it like a human would. It sees your screen, thinks about what to do, it taps, swipes, scrolls, navigates completely on its own. And because it runs locally, it's completely private. No cloud, no API calls, just an AI living on your device that actually gets the shit done. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how AutoGLM works, why this represents the real future of AI agents, and how this fits into something that we do to get results like this, scaling businesses from $30,000 to $150,000 per month. It's the computer owning paradigm that is about to change everything. Let me explain why most AI agents are useless. Every AI agent you've seen requires a developer or an operator to translate what you want into what the agent can do. Wanting to book a restaurant, someone has to build an integration with OpenTable. Wanting to send an email, someone has to connect with the Gmail API. Or maybe you want to post on social media, someone has to build a custom workflow for each platform or still use an API that combines all the posting features in one. You're not building agents. You're building too simple integrations that break the moment something in the process changes. And here's the real problem. These agents can only do what they were programmed to do. They're not autonomous, they are automated. There's a big difference. But what if AI could use your phone the same way you do? What if it could see the screen, understand what's happening, and figure out how to accomplish any task you give it? That's not science fiction anymore, because AutoGLM operates on what we call the computer owning paradigm. And here's what that means. Instead of building specific integration for every app, you give AI the direct access to the device itself. It has eyes. It sees what's on screen. It has hands. It can tap, swipe, scroll, whatever. But let me show you how this works in practice. You give AutoGLM a task, something like post, something like the top 3 posts from this profile on X and summarize them to me. The AI starts thinking. It says something like, the user wants to like post on X. Currently, I'm on the home screen. The first step is to launch the X app. Then it executes. It taps on X and it runs the next thought. I need to find this profile. I should tap the search icon. It taps search. It types the name. It selects the verified profile. Then it scrolls through the post, likes the top 3 ones. Finally, it reads the content, summarizes it for you. No integration, no custom code, no APIs. And with this example, I wanted to use this specifically because the X API is so expensive. Stuff like this is much cheaper. But now here's where this gets really powerful. This isn't just about convenience. This is about AI system that can do work at scale. Think about what most businesses actually need AI to do for them. Maybe they need someone to check inventory systems and update the spreadsheets, to monitor competitors and log changes, respond to messages across different platforms, and more importantly, gather data from apps that are old or that just don't have API. Right now, that requires humans, or at least it used to require humans. AutoGLM changes the equation completely. You just tell it what you want done, and it figures out how to do it. This is what real autonomous AI agents look like. Not chatbots that just answer questions, not NA10 workflows that AI gurus are scamming you for $500, but actual digital workers that can operate software the same way you do. But here's what most people will miss about this stack. The AI itself is only half the story. Everyone in AI now is focused on the wrong thing. They're asking, how do I build a better agent? But that's the wrong question. The right question is, how do I deploy agents as operational infrastructure that businesses can actually use and scale with? That's the difference between a demo and an actual deployment. AutoGLM gives you that capability. But capability without strategy and infrastructure is just a toy. What businesses need is the full system. This is what we call AI scaling. Practically, it's 80% business knowledge and 20% AI implementation. Because yeah, AutoGLM is powerful technology, but powerful technology deployed without operational infrastructure is how consultants stay stuck at $50,000 a month. Powerful technology instead built with proper monitoring, management, and business knowledge, that's how you build systems worth six figures. So here's what you need to know to understand where AI is heading. The current model of building specific integration for every task is dead. It's too slow, too expensive. The future is what we call the computer owning paradigm. Give AI access to the device, let it see the screen, let it tap and do the work. This is what Anthropic is doing with Claude Code, or what OpenAI is doing with Codex. But AutoGLM is open sourcing this to everyone for phones. The companies that figure out how to deploy this as operational infrastructure will dominate the next decade, while everyone else is still busy paying an AI guru $500 to get up-to-date templates that they can scam other people, unfortunately business owners, for. So AutoGLM isn't another tool. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about AI agents. But remember, tech is only capability. The real money is in the deployment layer. Monitoring, management, orchestration, and business integration. That's AI scaling. The combination of real AI capabilities like AutoGLM and enterprise-grade operational infrastructure is what turns interesting tech into systems that generate real value and can scale businesses. If you want to learn how to deploy all of this, not just demos, we train AI scalers to do exactly this. Real systems, real monitoring, real impact that scales. Companies pay zero upfront and only share 25 to 50% of the growth that the AI scaler generates. So for example, an AI scaler can...
Gentlemen, welcome to Fight Club.
That shit sounded so good that even electricity was surprised and we had an electricity outage. But as I was saying, for example, you can have an AI scaler earning $200,000 up to $1 million or $2 million a year, depending on the company they work with. And you can do that because we place you into those companies. And if you want to join, the link is in the description and I'll see you guys in there.